Welcome to How to Solve.
Now we're gonna be learning how to generate insane AI arts using this tool. Let's go! You're ready to learn about a free AI art generator that can create this kind of art? By feeding the right prompts, you can do that in here. This tool is incredibly easy to use, completely free, and with some basic knowledge that this video is gonna give you, you will be able to create beautiful pieces of art yourself. Okay, so the easiest way to access this tool is using Discord. If you don't have Discord already, you can head on over to discord.com and simply download it. If you're not familiar, it's like WhatsApp for communities. So once you fill this out, you have a Discord account and we can get to using Midjourney. Okay, now that you have your Discord set up, you need to join the Midjourney server to use this. As promised, it's gonna be super simple. You just have to go to discord.gg/Midjourney. So once you confirm the invite right here, you will now be joining the Midjourney Discord server. And this is by far the easiest way to interact with it. All you need to do is go into one of these newbie channels on the left and type -imagine. Now I get to tell it the keywords of what I wanted to generate, like for example, horse, magical, and all that. So I went with the dragon riding scenario here, and now I'll give it two instructions that will make the result very realistic and detailed. One thing to get the best results, you have to type --v4. That actually tells the tool to use version 4 of Midjourney, which will give you the best results. Additionally, I'll also tell it --AR 2:3. So this picks the aspect ratio, and then you will have the options of 2:3, 1:1, or 3:2. Now hit enter, and then we wait. There you go. Okay, so now this is an example of a result that we will get. So now you get 9 more options. By the way, U stands for upscale, which means if I like one of these, it scales it up to full resolution. And then V, it stands for I like this version. Create 4 more like that. And the arrows here, if you got it wrong, you just have to click it to go over again. So I'm thinking version 3 right here is closest to my vision. So I'll just say V3. And that's there. And you can also hit on upscale too. There you have it. You can generate 25 of this for free. After that, it will cost $10 a month to get 100 of these, which will also allow you to generate them privately as this is public. So there is also an option to add a message, add a reaction, use the email emoji, and bot will DM me the full resolution picture. And that is how we create insane art in just 2 minutes.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.